to the Balch Springs Mesquite area.
Tornado warning for Dallas.
Cam shot, seeing the skyscrapers there in downtown. You do think that
I don't want my house hot.
Oh my god.
What?
Got some hail.
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
So look at the light.
I know, so I'm gonna go to my garage so I can get it good.
Shit sounds scared, man. Bring it on, guys.
You stand 20 feet away from me. I have more umbrellas. We're like, where the hell are they going? You got shoes on? No.
Nope. Oh man.
Yeah, you're gonna get
bear shoes.
hoof and mouth disease. I hear hail.
Yeah. Something's getting close. That was cool.
Oh, wow.
I don't think I like this anymore.
I'm going in my garage.
I immediately regret this decision. Why did we do that?
To what?
That's gonna hit ground, dude.
Hold on, that's gonna go up.
Where are you going?
Make it go up all the way. Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Yeah, this thing is going from all directions. Like, it just shoots across the sky. Wow. It's right over our head.
Oh, wow. That's gonna be a badass video when it's on YouTube. That's another
shit.
one.
Damn! I saw it like hit me. I saw tracers from that.
Oh, wow. It's gonna be loud too.
Oh my gosh. That's okay, that one got me. Nice one, God. Nice one. You got me now. I was just kidding about earlier. You ever watch those videos where you're like, yeah, those people are stupid? That'd be one of these. Yeah,
Wow.
like that.
What is it
That's gonna be
striking
loud.
over there? It's striking the same thing over there.
I don't know, but I'm getting tracers. Like, every time I blink now, I see you just that bright flash. Man.
I'm glad that town center is being built. Have a good view. Yeah.
Did the thunder or the lights go off? Or?
No. Wow, that's another one.
I should record this and use it as my bedtime music.
Wow, there's another one. Lots of parts of the country don't even get storms like this.
I think it's Thor. He's watching this movie right now, the North part.
Oh, I always want to cross the sky. Ooh, that's hail starting to come down.
I can see that in the corner of my eye. Just hit it right there.
Wow, there's one
It's
out
getting really
there.
close to us now.
Oh, wow. They're starting to hail.
Yeah, that means you have a good chance of tornado, dude.
At least we might be able to see the tornado. Y'all have some big ass hailstones.
You
mean as it travels from behind us?
Like the roof lifts off.
Well,
Like,
we'll see.
oh,
We'll see
well,
all
I guess
the
there
we'll,
it is.
we'll see all the debris coming. Look at all the hail.
Yep.
Holy crap!
I don't hear sirens though yet. Unless they've already been sucked up.
God. I'm glad my car is not out in all this. Whoa! Where was that at? There's a dark bus driving. Check out all the hail.
Thank God I don't have a car out here. It is. It's gonna do some damage.
Ow.
It's like siding. Let me take super top.
Yep. That was hurt.
Okay, so let's go with a plan B for now. If we do see a tornado for whatever reason, what do you want to do? Put your plan of action underneath the apartments and hang on?
Probably. Holy crap, it's hailing. It's hailing mountains out here. Ow. Hey, go right out there and tell me how it feels.
It's just marble size.
You hear me?
Yeah.
You go out there and say, tell me how
But
it hurts.
I chose to ignore you instead.
Whoa, that was a big one. We have the lightning, the thunder, and the hail. Maybe the tornado's next.
There's the tornado.
Oh,
siren.
there! I just said it, and then the sirens went off.
Okay,
Wow.
any minute. You see it come over the trees, you're like, okay,
Wow. Whoa.
man, my iPhone is still at the house. I swear, if your apartment's getting destroyed, my phone gets messed up. I'm pissed.
Wow.
Like those little yellow ones that shoot through the clouds. They're pretty cool looking.
That was funny. I said all we need is a tornado, and the siren started going off. This is like, what, the 8th time this year they've gone off? No one's going to pay attention to these things. They keep
Yeah.
setting them off all the time. Wow.
It's still a little.
This is why people's insurance is so high here in Texas. Look at the hailstone.
Still, what do you call it? Marble size.
That's going to hit you on the head. You just hate the hail. You just hate the hailstone.
That's nice.
Ow, that was loud. I'm gonna go hang on to that fence. Tornado
So
come.
you get a better video?
No, just wrap my arms and legs all into it.
The shrapnel will kill you alone. Yeah.
This happens every week here. It seems to lately.
It's like a car alarm going off. You're just kind of like, I'm not really too sure.
It's still daytime out here. You can't even really see, but like there's like a tiny break in the clouds where the sky's a little bit blue, but you can't even see it because it's so dark on the camera. And the sirens are off again. And then they only set them off for 5 minutes at a time.
Yeah, I'm starting to get bored. I'm not impressed anymore.
I want more lightning.
Yeah, I like the thunder.
Yeah, your shirt's hot. There's not even that much thunder anymore.
They'll just pass us over.
They always turn the sirens on too late.
I'm gonna go inside.
Alright, go.
Give the umbrella.
I was gonna say you're gonna go.
By the time I get back inside. Otherwise I'm just gonna flop down and
No, you're not. You're gonna stay outside.
I'll put my feet in it.
Whoa, there's a big lightning bolt.
Wouldn't it be funny if that whole thing out there was a tornado and then we just don't know about it right now? And then later on we see on the news like that entire side was wiped out.
It could be like a rain wrap tornado, you wouldn't see it. Oh wow, that was a good one. Yeah. We get some crazy weather this year. It's just raining now. Hello. What's that noise? Alright, it seems like